Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you are doing fine. So as you can see, today I will teach you how to make stockpile volume in Civil 3D. So I have a file, let me close this one, in my desktop in the name of practice stockpile. Okay. So first of all I have to import this in Civil 3D. Open the Civil 3D, open, then go to desktop, then choose the file, then click on open. Now as you can see the file is opening. It will take some time. So as you can see my file is opened. Okay. So as you can see the name of the file is here showing here. Okay. So first of all I need to go to the tool space button, which is in home tab. Select the home tab, then tool space, then some dialog box will be opening. At the first you can see prospector option. Okay. There is a active drawing view. I have the active name, which is practice stockpile. Then first of all I need to make a base for the stockpile calculation. So the file name, go to the surface option, then right click, then create surface. So as I going to make the base, I give it the name of the surface is base in the information area. Okay. Always keep remember the type of the surface will be thin, otherwise it makes some problems. Always make select thin surface. Okay, then click on OK. So as you can see a plus button is coming in the surface option. Okay, then I have to maximize this. After maximizing I will get the name of the surface. So maximize again, then go to define. Then as you can see so many options are here. Then I have to select the drawing objects, as I have the objects in the point id or point number of a DWG file I have imported in the Civil 3D to show the stockpile volume. So I have to click on drawing objects, then right click, then add. So object type is base. I need to mention a description. Simply type base, click on OK. Now select the base. So this is my base points. Click all the base points first to make the base. Okay. So I am choosing the base points only this time, as I am making the base. I think I have chosen all the points of the base of this stockpile. Then right click or simply press enter. So as you can see the surface has been made. So minimize this. Okay, let's see in the object viewer. Click on the surface, then see in the object viewer. As you can see the base has been created. Okay, close this one. Now I have to make the stockpile top side or top levels or top area or top surface, whatever you can say. So minimize this, go to the surface again, then create surface, same like before. Then I give this top surface name as top or top surface. Then simply see this option, always thin surface is selected, then click on OK. Now go to the same process, maximize top surface option, then define the object. I will define the object at objects points top, make a description for this, then click on OK. Now select the all the points and select the base. Okay, click on OK. So as you can see, our top surface has been made. Let's check in the properties. I simply press Ctrl plus 1. So the thin surface is first name is base. I have choose mistakenly choose the base. That's why it's showing the base option. This is my base, this is my top. Okay, now see the properties. This is showing the top surface. Now see in the object viewer both. So as you can see, two surface has been created. Let's see in the Excel. It came in another. Let's see in the yellow stick. Now see in the wireframe. Okay, as you can see, two surface has been made. Okay, now simply close this one. Now I am going to calculate the volume of this two surface. Base is my down surface and top surface is my upper surface, or the total stockpile which is situated in the ground. On the ground, the stockpile name is top surface and base is the ground of the stockpile. So I have to go to the analysis option or tab, then go to volume dashboard. Click on that. After clicking, it came in the minimization form. I will maximize this. Then go to the third option, create new volume surface. Click on that. After it is asking for the information for the base, I will give put the base. I will put the volume name. It's will be volume calculation. Simply volume I have given a name. So now it's asking the base surface I have to choose from here. Click on this three dots, choose the base first, then comparison surfaces, choose same three dots, top surface. Click on OK and OK. So as you can see this time it shows thin volume surface. Okay, I have choose this thin volume surface. Okay, then click on OK. So as you can see the result has been appeared here. I need a app output. You have to click the last option, insert cart and fill summary. Then click on OK on this. Click on outside anywhere to see the cart and fill report. So as you can see, the cart and fill summary has been created. The name of the surfaces, the totals has been came in. Volume is 651.85 cubic meter fill. As you know, as you can see in the object viewer, actually this one upper side is showing the volume. Okay, go again. The upper surface is showing the volume and the lower one is the base and the surfaces. So I hope you understand how to make a surface stockpile area and the volume calculation in Civil 3D. If you have any kind of comments, if you have any kind of inquiry, just com- comment in the comment section. Okay. I hope you enjoy this video also. If you enjoy, then don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. And don't forget to share also. Thank you so much.